Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to start with a Spring Boot project. So if you have started learning the Spring Boot, you would have gone through all the details of Spring Boot, why we use Spring Boot, how Spring Boot is different from Spring, normal Spring MVC, Maven, how Spring is different from Spring Boot. So all those differences you would have seen. So in this session, we are going to talk about how to create a simple Spring Boot project and how to make it work. And we are going to show you with the different types of error. So if you wanted to create a Spring Boot project, what you need to do is you need to go through this website start.spring.io. Okay, so when you started creating the project, so when you go through this page, let me refresh this page. So it will look like this. So you need to select this what type of project you wanted to create. You want Java, you want Maven project, then just check the Spring Boot version. So I'm currently using 2.7.7 and the basic dependency which you want to add. So at the starting, I will add the Spring Boot Dev tools, this one. And if you are aware about Lombok and also you can add the Lombok also. So you can just check which dependency you wanted to add. So currently I wanted to create a blank project, and later on if any needed I can add the dependency in my POM file. So this is how I just imported it. Now you need to specify the group, the artifact, the name, the description, and the package name, the package which you want. Like I want this package. If you want com.example.sample, so you can write like com.example.sample, and the artifact, the name of the project which you wanted to come, like I want sample. Okay, so this is how it looks. So if you created sample, then it will look like this. So if I take one, so see how it got changed. So this is how. So I want 2.7, and which Java version you want. So if you are using for 8, then you can use 8. I wanted to use 11 features, so I just changed it to Java 11. Then just click on generate. So your project is generated. Let me go and show you. So you can extract your project. Let me extract that project. Okay, so this is how your sample project look like. After doing this, what you can do is you can click on file, import existing Maven project, and where you downloaded, you can just select from there, and then you can finish. So this is one of the sample project I added. So when your project gets loaded, it will come like this, start updating your project. After that, what you can do is you can just click on Maven build. Okay, let me open. So when you do Maven, click what goal you wanted to achieve. So I wanted to do clean install, but I wanted to skip the test cases. So this you can skip the test cases. You can do later. Right now, I don't think so. We have a blank skip test cases. So you can click on skip test cases and then you can run it. See, test has skipped because I skipped the test cases. Because when you have a huge test cases and you wanted to just run your project, you don't want test cases to run. So you can do this. Now what you can do is you can just run your project from two places. So here you can see a boot dashboard. Okay, so from boot dashboard, once you click on boot dashboard, it will look like this. So this is my demo and this is my sample. So let me click on this and start. See, your application is started, but it is not running at any port number because it's a sample project where you just have a sample application.java class. Okay, later on, if you wanted to create all the things, like you would have simple properties, which is also empty. So it's not running in any, you need to specify all the configuration and project. So this was an example of sample project. Now coming to the error. So when you try directly to run your project, let me show you. When you try to run your project, it comes this error. So how to resolve this error is you can just go and check the build path, configure build path. Just check in the project libraries. So in the libraries, just check is there any JRE specified or not. If not specified, just click on class path. Sorry, add libraries. Next, install JREs. So if you see which JRE, I just provide the path. If it's not there, then you can add it. Just specify the path of install JRE. Then click on apply, apply and close, finish, and then click on apply. So applied JRE would be added to your path. Okay, then you can apply and close. So after that, what you do is the first step you wanted is just build your project. On building a project, what happens? .class file got generated. So you can just build your project. See, test also got executed because I didn't skip the test. See, test failure zeros and all. So there is only one test run. So in this configuration, let me show you run Maven build. See, this is a demo one. So you can create n number of build scenarios. So whenever you wanted to run, you can just select any one of it. So this was the second one, this was the first one. So based on that, suppose here I did clean install. In clean install, I didn't skip the test cases, but here I skipped. So you can just run with any of the profile. Now let me run this project. So there are two ways, either you can run from here or you can run from here. So let me show you. Now my project got started. Can you see it? See, so easy. So there are many other things which is there in Spring Tool Suite. And all I will let you know how to do it. And if you wanted to debug your project, you can just do as a debug, and you can add your breakpoint here. Something. So right now you don't have much code. So see, now the code will run in a debug mode. Okay. So thank you for listening to this video. I hope you like this video. And if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.